In this video, I'll show you how to install Roblox on your Mac computer without getting any error messages. So if you've tried installing Roblox and it's getting stuck on the installation or you're getting some kind of error, then this is what you need to do to fix it. So first head over to an internet browser. I'm just going to be using Safari. And from here, you just need to head over to the Roblox website. Now, once you're on Roblox, just log into your account in the top right-hand side here. And then once you're logged in to the Roblox website, we can just come down to any of these experiences and click on one of them. You'll see this play button here. Go ahead and click on that. Now, you'll get this message pop up saying download uninstall Roblox. Go ahead and click this button here. Select allow. Then what you're going to do is just double click on this roblox.dmg file. That's going to bring up this Roblox Player Installer window here. Now what you need to do is you need to right click on this Roblox Player Installer. And then right at the top, we need to select Show Package Contents. Then just double click on the Contents folder. Click on Mac OS. And now you'll see this file, Roblox Player Installer. This is what you need to double click. You'll get this message pop up. Just click on Open. And then now what you need to do is wait for this to install to your computer. And once this is finished downloading like so, then we can just head back over to Safari. Head back over to the game that we're trying to play, and once again just click on the play button. You can see now that we have the Roblox application installed and we're able to log in and play with our account. So it's as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you did find this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.